The Boot Step 3 freeze on Spectrum cable boxes means your box is failing to synchronize with the cable signal during startup. Before anything else, try these immediate fixes. This soft reset clears temporary glitches. Try a different HDMI cable. Be aware this will erase your settings. These actions resolve most common causes and get you back to watching TV quickly. If basic fixes don't work, the issue may be more complex. Check Spectrum's online support for outages in your area, as ISP-side problems can cause freezes. Ensure your cable box software is up to date. Outdated firmware is a frequent culprit. If signal strength is weak, contact Spectrum to schedule a technician visit to inspect your cable lines, especially if you live in a rural area. Consider upgrading to Spectrum's streaming app on a device like Roku or Fire TV to bypass the cable box entirely, as this eliminates hardware-related freezes. As of 2025, Spectrum is increasingly focusing on software-driven solutions and phasing out physical boxes, making the streaming app a reliable long-term solution. In rare cases of persistent freezing, contact Spectrum support to request a replacement box, although transitioning to app-based streaming is the recommended path forward.